Hi bro. Now this is the progress yenye tumeshafanya katika hii project ya petrol price, and it took me a little longer because we changed the hardware, and as a result we had also to alter the software. So that it could work together with the hardware. Actually it's an updated version of a former version, but this one is much more better and much more it has its benefits. First of all, to change the price, all you need is a mobile phone. Yeah, you can also do it via a computer. And the first thing you do is you switch on your Wi-Fi. You switch on your Wi-Fi on your mobile device or your computer. So long as you can be able to detect that, you will know the petrol price display by the name it has. The name it will bring is, it will start with the name Topaz. That's the name of our company. It will start with that name, and then it will have a few numbers after that. So once you get into that one, I'll send you the password. I cannot give the password via video, lest anyone can come and sabotage your work. So I'll send you the password specifically, which is unique to every individual and to every module. So once I give you the password, you will connect via that password. After connecting through that password, you launch your browser, which is in my case I'm using Chrome. Chrome is quite good. Then here at the address bar, you're going to type, assuming you have already connected, you're going to type 192.168.22.1. I made it as simple as possible. 22 stands for the year 2022, so I guess you cannot be able to forget that. And then .1. Once you put that one, you click enter, and it will bring you to a page where you'll see a big button with the name, with the words change price. So you just click on that, change price. Yeah, and then after you get into the inside, you'll get a console which is like a calculator. It has numbers and a display. So you write the new price. For example, let's put on the price of let's say the price now is 169. Yeah, you don't have to put a dot. The dot will be put for you after three numbers. So 169, and then you can put the number, for example 0.85. Yeah, and then you just save. Once you click save, that price will be sent over to the display, and once it is sent, give it a few seconds, and as you can see, it's already being displayed at our on the display. To change the price again, let's just do another demo, a very short demo again. Let's assume the price of fuel went up to 200 or 201. Yeah, and it's 0.00, so we don't need to put 00 again. So we do that. You don't have to put 00, you only 00, but it will do it for you, and it will send the price. As you can see, it's already displaying. So it is a very easy app to use. The app is embedded within the display, so you don't need to install anything on your phone. You just need your mobile browser, and I think it will be easy for you to use it from now. So thank you. It was just that short demonstration, and I'm on my way now to package it and then send it to you. Thank you.